The effort we're putting forth isn't complete without putting that crown back on the top of the building. We found original drawings of the building. In those design drawings, there was this ornamental crown called out. We didn't know much about it. We started doing demo up in that area, and we started to uncover original precast that was bricked up throughout the history of the building. The precast was certainly deteriorated, but it was in good enough condition that we were able to restore it. It's a really unique undertaking. It took a lot of very careful communication with the guys doing the work. We used the geometry of the precast that we uncovered to figure out the design of the new pieces that we added on top. The access to that area on the very top of the building is very limited. So we considered bringing in a crane and setting these pieces from the street versus breaking them down into smaller pieces and handling them the way we are now, which is by hand, using a number of chain hoists and an electric hoist. It doesn't get better than this. It really doesn't. You could work in this industry for 30 years and never see anything like this. Apartments will sell with or without that crown restored. For us, it's important because it's what we do as a company. We go the extra mile, take the extra steps, put forth the extra effort to do the right thing.